Hey everyone, this is Blair from Victory All Life for Advanced Diagnostics. Today I'm out on a 2018 Dodge Journey, and you can see where I went in to connect to the star connector. You need a long tool. In this case I used a pair of channel locks to get up into the star port. Where's that? Connect. Hazards on. There's our info. Let's program a prox, please. And there we go. Pretty simple. This is a very clean way of entry. It's very easy to pop that light switch out, and we are good to go. Once again, this is Blair from Victory All Life for Advanced Diagnostics. Thanks.